Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my another YouTube video. This video is about how to make king chili pickle, and also I'm going to answer all the questions that my viewers were asking me. Because of the background music copyright claim, I changed the music, and along with the music even my audio got muted, so many people were confused how I did and what I did and all. So yeah, I'll be answering and clearing out the confusions. If you're new here, you might not know I have made this video before on how to make ghost chili pickle or Naga King chili pickle. I'll link it up there and on the description so you can check it out if you want. First question is how many hours and days you should place chili in the sunlight. Before pickling, you should wash and sun dry chili to remove excess moisture, and after pickling, depends on if you are using raw mustard oil or cooked oil, or if you are frying the chili. If you are frying the chili, you don't have to sun dry them. If you are using raw mustard oil, then you should sun dry for at least 2 to 3 days. And if you are using the cooked oil, depends on the weather, but at least dry for a day. For longer shelf life, even if you are keeping them in a refrigerator, I would recommend to sun dry them once in a while. Okay, and the next is, should we use cooked oil or raw oil? It's up to you, like I've explained earlier. If you use raw oil, you have to sun dry it. That's it.
It's smelling very pungent, so it's gonna be very spicy.
Can we add vinegar? Yes, of course you can add vinegar. Vinegar contains 5% of acetic acid. For pickles, chutneys, sauces, and ketchup, vinegar is recommended. About 2% of acetic acid prevents spoilage of many products. No salt. Why no salt? I somehow miss filming that, but salt is a must, so don't be confused if we have to add them or no. Salt not only enhances flavor of your food, but also acts as a preservative. Instructions unclear. I made a nuclear bomb. This is hilarious actually. I hope after watching this video you'll be clear with all your confusions. What if I add some mustard oil and salt and keep it? Will it taste good? Yeah, of course, the smell of the pungent king chili itself is mouth-watering. And most importantly, you can preserve them like that for off-season. Here in this video, I'm storing half of the king chilies in a container with just oil, and we'll be pickling some of the king chilies. Okay, and after heating the oil, what is the next step? After heating the oil, mix the grinded spices, salt, vinegar, and fry it for like 3 minutes if you want, or directly store them in a jar or a container you have. This is my pickle recipe for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I love sharing with you guys. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.